Worried about corrosion and rust on mounting brackets for coastal PV projects? SOEASY Terra AL, a full aluminum anodizing solution. Factory pre-assembled design enables fast on-site installation, significantly reducing construction time. High-strength lightweight aluminum alloy for easier transportation and installation. Compatible with sites at tilt angles ranging from 0 to 45, offering outstanding universal adaptability. 10-year warranty, 25-year service life, low maintenance for greater peace of mind. The ideal choice for large-scale ground-mounted PV systems, from commercial power stations to utility-scale projects. Looking for high-performance, low-maintenance ground solar mounting systems? Leave a message or send us a DM to get your customized solution. SOEASY Terra AL makes PV power stations more durable. Contact us now.